hello again. We're going to do another in the series of benefits of dry fasting. This is the fifth benefit, which is the elimination of all these cleanses. Let me explain. Hi, I'm Dr. August Dunning, and I do these nifty little dry fasting videos, and we're doing a whole series here on benefits. The fifth most important benefit is the fact you can drop all these cleanses out. Liver cleanses, gallbladder flushes, kidney cleanses, nasal cleanses, salt flushes, Clark parasites, all that stuff. You can just get rid of it. If you're going to keep eating, please do those, because you will have to get rid of the things that eating causes. And you can do it individually in certain organs and stuff if you like, or you can just dry fast. I mean, it's pretty easy to just dry fast. You know, this book, The Phoenix Protocol, shows you how to do it. It's pretty cool because if you do it correctly, it does all these marvelous things, and one of which is the elimination of all these silly therapies. Hydrotherapy, colonic irrigation, all that real comfortable, fun things if you're into that sort of stuff. Unfortunately, most people aren't, and so unfortunately, this stuff backs up. And bad things start happening because they never get rid of toxins and debris. So that's the good thing about this dry fasting idea, is that if you just dry fast, you don't have to worry about doing all that stuff anymore. Once a year, twice a year, simple. Anyway, that's the message today. And please subscribe, hit the like button, tell your friends about this stuff. Go down below and look at the videos below, because I have lots of people that comment on my videos and the things that have happened in a beneficial fashion to their bodies after dry fasting. And I encourage you to look at it. I am perplexed with the waves out there. I went out yesterday and it was like really, really hard to get them. They were big, but they're so soft. They never really peak up and give you a crest to catch the wave. And without the speed, it makes it really hard to surf. And they're crashing right on shore right now. So anyway, that's the video today, kids. And thank you for tuning in, and I love you guys. See you tomorrow.